Assalamu alaikum. Today I'm going to show you how to make Nadru Maaz or lotus stem and meat curry. Lotus stem is a very versatile vegetable and perks up anything. Lotus stem or Nadru is predominantly consumed in Kashmir with variety of ingredients. Today I'm going to show you how we can cook Nadru or lotus stem with meat. Before moving ahead, I would like to mention that I have Urdu and Kashmiri channels. I'll be leaving link in the description box. Do check them out. So let's get started with the recipe. For making this, I have taken 750 grams of meat, salt around 2 teaspoons or you can take according to your taste, turmeric powder 1 teaspoon, dry ginger powder 1 teaspoon, fennel seed powder 1 teaspoon, chili powder I have taken 2 teaspoons, you can take less or more, and 1 teaspoon of coriander powder, and whole spices include 2 black cardamom, 2 cinnamon sticks, cumin seeds, peppercorns, cloves and green cardamom, and oil around 1 cup because we have to fry lotus stem, 1 teaspoon of ginger garlic paste, and I have taken around half a kg of lotus stem, and you can see the cuts how I have made. We have to clean it properly. Outside Kashmir we get these kind of lotus stem, as they would say Punjab Nadru in Kashmiri. So first thing is I have heated up oil, and then I will be adding these lotus stem. So for if you are taking 1 kg of meat, so you can take 750 grams of lotus stem. So that way you have to take this. I have taken 750 grams of meat. I'm taking 500 grams of lotus stem. We don't have to over fry them. We have to fry them on both the sides, and I have taken enough oil so that they are fried properly. So once they are done, I'll just take them out from the oil. So here you can see. Now from the same oil I have taken around 2 tablespoons. Now I have taken oil in the cooker because we have to cook meat. So I'm adding ginger garlic paste once it starts to heat up, and then I'm adding whole spices. That includes green cardamom, black cardamom, cumin seeds, black peppercorns, cinnamon sticks. Saute them both properly. Here the flame is between medium to high. I have not kept high flame. Then I'll be adding meat to it. So for me, meat I'm keeping medium flame. We have to fry this meat. After a few minutes of frying, I'll be adding salt. Here again the flame is medium. Lotus stem needs whistle. It's quite hard, so then you have to cook it with meat only. So once we add spices and water to this, you can add lotus stem too, but I'm not adding. I will cook meat up to 80%. Like if I cook usually up to 3 to 4 whistles, I'll just cook it up to 2 whistles, and then I will let it cook with lotus stem without whistles, and it gives amazing taste. Now the meat is fried properly, so I'll be adding all the other spices: coriander powder, dry ginger powder, chili powder, turmeric powder, fennel seed powder. I'll give it a good mix, and then I'll be adding water. So I'm adding extra water because I'm not adding lotus stem here. Later I need to cook it more, so I'm adding around 2 glasses of water here. So again, if you feel the lotus stem you are taking are quite hard, then you can add them here only. And I'm adjusting salt also here. Now I'll cook it up to 2 whistles. After cooking up to 2 whistles, I have opened the lid, and now I'll be adding fried lotus stem, and I will let it cook around 20 to 30 minutes, but we will keep checking in between so that it doesn't get totally dry, because it doesn't have to be totally dry. We have to keep slight gravy. Here again I would like to mention, if the lotus stem is too hard, you can whistle it with meat, but it tastes really good if we cook it, because here meat will also become tender. It's not fully tender yet. I have just cooked up to 70 to 80%, and then I have added lotus stem, so I'll let them cook. And here I have added a teaspoon of garam masala. It's optional, but it gives a good taste. So I will let it cook till less gravy is left and both meat and lotus stem are tender. and you can adjust salt also here. So here you can see it's ready now, very less gravy is also left, and it's quite thick gravy. I have cooked it up to 20 to 30 minutes on medium flame after adding lotus stem. Now both meat and nadru or lotus stem are soft, so at this stage I'll turn off the flame. I will cover it and let it be like this for around 5 to 10 minutes before serving. So here you can see now it's slightly cold and ready to be served. We have to serve it hot only, but I just gave it a few minutes so that it gives a good color, and here you can see how everything has settled down. And we serve these with rice. Give this recipe a try and let me know in comments how it turned. Thank you for watching. Have a good day.